every time I see a rock slide, it's scary, and we're just fortunate nobody got hurt. And the amount of movement on this hill is still worrisome to all of us. And but we got good people working on it, and really smart people that know what they're doing. And this is not their first rock slide, but our other goal is we got to get this interstate opened as quick as possible, but we got to make sure anybody that's on it is safe. But, you know, I know people don't like detours, and I don't like them as well, but safety for our workers is primary at this point in time because we have no traffic. So they've got to kind of work closely. The mountain's still moving a little bit, so they've got to do what they need to do to make sure that nobody is hurt here, and then we can't open the road until we're positive that nothing will happen. So a lot of stuff to be done yet. Okay, so when you take the sandstone